Welcome to the Tips Workshop channel. In this video I will try to give you some tricks to fix a broken rice cooker. Before starting, please fill in the comments column by mentioning which country you are watching right now. Your rice cooker is completely dead. It will make your family busy at home and providing daily meals. However, don't worry, I will try to give you tips to fix it so you can save your money by not buying a new one. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertained.